Welcome back to my channel. As you all know, you are watching AI Made Simple, where we make technology, AI and online tools easy to understand. Have you ever spent hours making a YouTube video but then got stuck trying to come up with a title? Just like we upcoming YouTubers, immediately when we are done creating our video, after spending hours creating our video, you are going to be looking for title in which that title can bring millions to it, or it will not even get a click. Or maybe you have posted great video that barely got any views because the title was not clickable, just like I just said. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to create viral YouTube titles without thinking or stressing your brain, and that grabs attentions, increase clicks, and give your videos a better chance of reaching more people. I will walk you through the entire process step by step, so even if you are a beginner just like I do as well, you'll be able to create better titles in just a few minutes. Let's get started to it. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your chatgpt. Now, before I start, a viral title usually has 4 things. As a beginner, just like I, because I'm also a beginner as well, so I'm just doing this tutorial for new people that want to start creating a content tomorrow as well, so that they can know how they're going to, get their titles, how to do their titles in the right way. So like I said, a viral title usually has 4 things. It clearly tells viewers what they will get. So your title always tells viewers what they will get. It creates curiosity. So it's your title that will determine maybe that your audience, that your 1,000 subscribers will be able to click on that video you just posted. So that your title that will create was curiosity. It includes keyword people are searching for. It's also that your title that will determine when those audience are searching for something to watch on YouTube, maybe it's going to bring it out for them to watch. It gives people a reason to click immediately. Is your title giving a reason for people to click immediately? You are going to know in this video as a beginner, and like I told you, I'm also a beginner as well. Now, let me just tell you something. For example, instead of saying Samsung features, you could say 7 ID Samsung features you need to try. The second title is more specific and creates curiosity. So after creating your video, instead of just racking your brain thinking of what title can I give this video, you can just tell AI to do it for you. And how can you say AI to do it for you? By coming towards chatgpt, and chatgpt is going to do that for you. Now let's use AI to create these titles, which I'll be using chatgpt instead of trying to think of them myself. So you can also use Google Gemini as well. So I think chatgpt, so you can use both, but I'll be using chatgpt. So let me just tell chatgpt to act like a YouTube expert for me. So let me tell you to generate 20 viral YouTube titles. Generate viral YouTube titles. Generate viral YouTube titles about faceless. AI videos. So let's see what chatgpt is going to bring for me. So if you are targeting people who want to start a faceless YouTube channel with AI, this title combines curiosity, a clear and searchable keywords. See, you can see my number 1, so it gives me up to 20 titles. So let's check the first title that chatgpt gave us: how to create faceless AI video that gets millions of views. You can see that I built a faceless YouTube channel using only AI, step by step. How to make faceless YouTube videos with AI for free. You can see different titles with different curiosity, with different standard. And let me tell you something, make sure your titles contains 3 things, which is very important. The why, like the reason why you are posting the video, the subject, what your title is talking about, and the verb. So you can see this number one, how to create faceless AI video that get millions of views. That video that you want to post today, that video you want to post now, do not post it yet. You should watch the video and think about your title, how the outcome of your title is going to be, because just an error over that title might make your video to have 0 view. So after creating that your video, after spending hours, all your hours on that your video, why is your title useless? You shouldn't make your title to be useless, but you have to just stay down, calm down, work on that your title very well, and it must match with your video. Like I told you, don't have to stress yourself. All you can do is just come to chatgpt, and chatgpt is going to give you the perfect title for your video. And it's not just perfect title for your video, you have to take your time with it. You have to take your time with the title. So you can see my title that chatgpt has created for me. So that's this. For example, let me pick this number one now. Let me pick this number one title. Then let's click it on this. Let me tell chatgpt to make it more emotional and for viewers. To see. You see, here are stronger, more curiosity driving factors of your title. You can see that chatgpt has break it down for me. How to create faceless AI video that people cannot stop watching. The AI secrets behind faceless videos that get millions of views. You can see how chatgpt is breaking the titles for me. So just make sure that in every issue of your video, maybe it's a faceless channel, maybe it's about finance, maybe it's about teaching people, maybe it's under education, they're teaching people how to use something, maybe how to set up their phone. Whatever niche you are into on YouTube, make sure you work on your title as a beginner, as really upcoming YouTuber. So you have to make sure that your title correlates with your video, and that video might go viral. It's not just about your thumbnail. It's not just about your thumbnail. Your thumbnail also matters mostly, but your title also matters very well, because your titles is what people see. It's what drives curiosity. It's what that makes people to know that can they even click on this video. So make sure you work on your title accordingly. So another thing I want you guys to know about YouTube titles is that, for an example, I want to talk about maybe 10 features you should know about chatgpt. Maybe I want to do a video on 10 features you should know about chatgpt. So after creating the video, instead of me thinking about what title can I give them, I can just come to chatgpt and tell them to give me viral title for my chatgpt tutorial. You see, if your video is a practical chatgpt tutorial with screen recording, these titles have strong search intent while adding curiosity. 10 chatgpt tricks that will save you hours every week. 2026. How to use chatgpt like a pro in 2026. You see now, I wish I knew this chatgpt tricks sooner. So just make sure that don't just let chatgpt to sit down on your phone like that. Chatgpt can generate a lot of titles for that your video, and you don't know what can happen. That your video can have 1 million views. So make sure you use chatgpt to generate your video, and that's how AI can assist you in generating YouTube titles. So while creating your title, just make sure the title is what will make viewers, that will attract viewers to click on, and it's going to generate what curiosity. so everything works together. So this is how you can use AI to generate your viral YouTube titles. That is how you can use AI to create viral YouTube titles quickly and easily. Remember, AI gives you ideas, but the best results come from choosing and refining the strongest title for your own text. Just like I told you, after AI chatgpt has given you the title, you can still refine it again, check the title again before putting it in that video. How you can use AI to create viral YouTube titles quickly and easily. Remember, AI gives you ideas, but the best results come from choosing and refining the strongest title for your audience. I already told you that. So after the AI has given you the title, you can just go back to it, check it once again, then make sure it is right for your video. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe. Especially do not forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to this channel. We should help each other to grow. Please make sure you subscribe for more videos like this and turn on notification for more AI and YouTube Go tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. AI made simple.